Hi, we're here to share with you a new and approved My Account section. Simply click on the My Account setting and you're going to notice a complete new user interface. Everything along the left side is what you're used to seeing, and everything along the top side will show you what's open. For instance, company information. We have a summary section. The top right corner, you can edit it at any time, like before. And after you hit edit, you always want to hit save to save all your changed information. Also, you're going to notice users. We'll identify all of your users. And again, you have actions where you can figure out anything you want to do with each of these users. Edit the user. Under edit the user, under user, we're going to show you some pretty important things. Clearly go in and make sure all of the information here is right. With password, if you want to change a password at any time, you control this. It's going to be blank. Simply put in any password here you wish and click save, and the user will get the new password emailed to them. Here's a really important section over here for user class. If you notice now, for user class, we have many different classes. We have a user, branch manager, full access, and administrator. Click this question mark right here and it will show you what each of these mean. That way you have security set up for each and every type of user. It's pretty self-explanatory. You're also going to see, for those of you companies that have different branches, this is where your branches, you can identify which branch this person belongs to. And branches, of course, are set up in the summary tab right here. As you come down here, you're going to see the disabled user tab. This is just in case you have a user and at any point in time, if you want to disable them short-term or long-term, simply click the disable tab. Work order addresses. This shows you which work order address you want to use. If you have more than one location where you shift the crews from, it'll show up in here. Now, something you're going to notice here, if the user class is that of a user, not a branch manager, notice what happens here on the right-hand side. You see that it requires a bid approval. This is an approval system that we've set up recently that enables new salespeople. They're required to have their bid approved by somebody else at your company of a more senior level position. And we'll get into that in detail with another video. But the basic scenario of that is, if you require bid approval, when you send a proposal out, it has to be approved by one of your people, and that'll be a separate video. And remember, user signature. This is the area here where you can upload your signature for proposals. Also under My Account, you're going to have your logo and your work order directions. We've added a new feature for work order directions if your location where your cruise is leaving from is different than your office. So a lot of people have a corporate office and a location elsewhere. We added this feature for those of you who have a different location. So simply put in your location here if it is different than your office for driving directions. And once again, simply click edit and you can go back. You're also going to notice something new here we added in called work order recipients. When you click work order recipients, we allow you to send work orders electronically to anyone you wish. Maybe it's a subcontractor for trucking or line striping or seal coating, that when you want to send a work order to them with driving directions and scope of work, all you simply do is add a new recipient, put in their name here, Bob the line striper, and you get the idea. And then when you go to send or print a work order, you have the choice to email it to them right on the spot. So again, add the name here. You can delete them, do whatever you wish. You can do anything, call them separate different crew leaders. You can delete the people, do whatever you wish. But work order recipients is a way that you can send an electronic work order with driving directions and scope of work to anyone you wish. Now remember, the question mark here will show you a video for each section at any time. Under proposal settings, this is where you have the text for you about the company. You have your standard layout intro for your secondary type of proposal. And you have your second page header. And we're going to continue to update this to make it super simple and easy for everyone. Your scope of work. This is where you change and edit your specifications. Custom texts. This is where you have perhaps your disclaimers and things of that nature, where you'll come into this section and do all of that. Legal, you'll see where you have contract copy, payment terms, and default payment days. All of that lies in this section. And again, all you do is simply come into this section, change it, and remember to hit save. Lastly, we have your attachments. This is all of your specifications, brochures, insurance, things of that nature. Remember, sorting, names, and actions is still available. Edit the attachment or delete it, as well as upload any attachment from your desktop. This is a quick preview of the new interface for the My Account section. We hope you like it, and we're going to continue to improve this on all other pages as well. Thank you very much and have a great day.